If Grammarly is showing an HTTP error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a connection issue, blocked cookies, or a problem with the browser extension itself. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get Grammarly working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, go to Grammarly in your browser and open the site normally. Once it loads, look at the address bar and click the site information icon next to the URL. This is where you can manage the data stored for Grammarly in your browser. From there, click Cookies and Site Data, then choose Manage On-Device Site Data. You'll see a list of stored site entries. Delete each Grammarly-related entry by clicking the trash icon next to them, then click Done. This clears any corrupted or outdated site data that may be causing the HTTP error. After clearing the site data, the next step is to refresh the Grammarly extension. Go to your browser toolbar and click the extensions icon, which usually looks like a puzzle piece. Then choose Manage Extensions. Find Grammarly in the list and toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple refresh often resets the extension and fixes temporary loading or permission problems. If the error still appears, the next best step is to reinstall the Grammarly extension completely. Right-click the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar and choose Remove from Chrome, or the equivalent option for your browser. Once it's removed, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Grammarly again. Click Add to Chrome, install it fresh, and then log back into your account. Reinstalling gives you a clean copy of the extension and can fix deeper issues that a simple refresh won't solve. If you're still seeing the HTTP error after that, double-check your internet connection, disable any conflicting extensions, and make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Sometimes VPNs, ad blockers, or privacy tools can interfere with Grammarly's connection. Try opening Grammarly in an incognito window as well, since that can help you test whether the issue is caused by browser extensions or cached data. To recap, the main fixes are clearing Grammarly site data, refreshing the extension, and reinstalling it if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will resolve the HTTP error and get everything working again. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Grammarly troubleshooting guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.